This tutorial is going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to access and use the Learning Academy. The first thing you need to do is go to the Coffee Commune website and ensure that you're logged into your account on the top right-hand corner. You then need to go to the top middle of the page and select the Learn tab. This will then redirect you to our Learning feature. And here it shows you the two different learning experiences we have to offer, the Learning Academy and the Thought Leader series. So select the left tab, Learning Academy. This then pops out our Learning Academy courses. And if you scroll down, they are all listed below. To narrow down your search, you're able to choose from the 5 different study areas. For example, I'll choose Health and Wellbeing, and this shows you all the courses that are under the Health and Wellbeing area. If you've previously enrolled in a course, it'll pop up with a banner saying enrolled, and if you've previously completed the course, it will show completed. To enroll in a new course, go to the course that you'd like to enroll in and select See More. This then shows you the course name, a course description, and shows that you're currently not enrolled. To enroll in this course, select Take this course on the right-hand side. This will then show 0% complete and shows that you've been enrolled. To access the content, scroll down and select the box underneath Course Content. When you'd like to begin the course, select Start. This feature also shows at the top of the page a brief estimate on how long it's expected for this course to take to complete. It also shows that you're still in progress. If you'd like to exit the course but save your work, all you need to do is go to the top right-hand corner and click Course Home. And this will save your last completed work. To access it at a later time, select My Account. Then go to the left-hand tab, scroll down and select Courses. Here shows all the different courses that you have enrolled in. If you go to the top to the right-hand side arrow, drop down, it also shows you how much you've completed. This one has been complete. Select on the next one, 0% complete. If you'd like to access the course, just select the course name and it will take you back to this page. Scroll down and you're able to access the content again. And this is how you access the Learning Academy.